Oklahoma Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert at the request of the Tulsa Police Department. The victim is a 11 years of age, Hispanic male, Osmani Noel Sanchez Valley, last seen wearing a black shirt and black pants with a red line down the middle. Child was abducted from Tulsa. Suspects are two black males, last seen wearing ski masks, white t-shirts, black pants, and carrying a black semi-automatic pistol. Suspects were last seen in a black, newer model Mazda sedan. Suspects are considered armed and dangerous. If observed, do not approach and call 911